If you've been in the field cleaning for the last year, what are you doing? What are you doing? Because the bottom line is you cannot scale. You can only take on so many clients just being a solo cleaner. It's time to expand. It's time to expand. It's time to expand. If you're starting a cleaning company, here's the harsh reality. You're poor. You're poor because it takes time to grow and to scale a cleaning company. And you want to be able to take that money that you are making right now to invest in your future, to invest in your next. So stop spending like you got it. You don't got it. Invest. Here's the thing. You honestly don't need a lot of money to start a cleaning business. In fact, I would say it's probably one of the industries where it takes the least amount of money to start a business in, right? But it depends on honestly what model that you're going. If you're going W-2, independent contractor, etc. But you don't need a lot to